TriCleanAir fogger head. You open it up, inside you'll see mounting blocks. These are used to be able to screw the device to the wall without penetrating the box. Some people prefer to go through the back. These boxes do not need to be watertight. Some prefer to use this method. Inside of this box, you're going to be placing your 3/8 tubing, one from each side. Inside of the box, you will be meeting them with a TW. This is a T with the ability to attach the fogger fitting. So you will place both of the tubes into the fitting and you will push firmly until it locks in place. Once that is done, you will be closing this box, sealing it up. Depending if you're using a double head provided or the single head provided, you will take the fogger nozzle and you will slide through. It will meet the device and you will simply twist it. These do not need to be cranked tight. They simply good tightness of the hand and a little firm twist. Once done, that is a single nozzle.